Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for MobyMax account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a MobyMax account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.mobymax.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll soon end up in the official web page of MobyMax. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and select if you'd like to sign up as a student, teacher, parent, school administrator or district administrator. In my case, I've chosen as a teacher option. Once you make a selection, you'll be asked to enter your school email and password. If you've not signed up for an account yet, you can click on the sign up link appearing at the bottom of the page and click on the get started for free button appearing on the next page and fill in the form in order to sign up for a new account. Select one of the options if you work on a school in the US or if you work as an international tutor. And once you make your selection, type in your first name, your last name, and then select the state you reside in. Find your school by typing it in the text box and create your MobyMax login. Enter a valid email address to do so, and on the next field, create a password for yourself as well. Finally, click on the register free button in order to sign up for a new account. That is how you can easily sign up for MobyMax as a teacher. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.